Malaysia,
The wreckage found earlier is confirmed to be the flag prawn from a Boeing 777. It's a Boeing 777 parts, but whether it is MH370 parts yet to be verified. If that wreckage is belong to MH370, then the international independent investigation team for MH370 will have to handle this investigation into this wreckage immediately. The wreckage found earlier is confirmed to be the flag prawn from a Boeing 777-370 parts yet to be verified. If that wreckage is belong to MH370, then it's a Boeing 777 parts. But whether it is the international independent investigation